Okay, in this video we are continuing with the floor plan project. So you've gone ahead and taken some notes on the floor plan with some criteria that I've given you. Now we're going to take that a step further and talk about a bubble house diagram. So you're going to have to create a bubble diagram, which is something that looks like this. And before we go ahead and create it, let's find out some background information on it using Google. So what I'd like you to do at home is go onto Google and type in bubble house diagram, and then you're going to click on this link right here. I'm sorry, not that one. This one, drafting house plans. And it's going to open up a Google book for you. And it may still say loading, but if you just scroll up here, you'll see the book that we're looking at. It's called Drafting House Plans, and it kind of gives you a table of contents. We're going to focus on the very first few pages here explaining what a bubble diagram is. So you're going to learn about traffic patterns, the three main areas that you need to worry about, which are sleeping, living, and eating. So what I would like you to do is to go ahead and use this page and kind of create a bubble diagram on your own. But instead of doing sleep, live, and eat, let's try and focus on and create a bubble diagram somewhat like this, using your rooms and then drawing the traffic patterns. So if I came home and I walked into the garage, I can go in here, I can go in here, but I can also exit that way either. So the arrows are showing traffic patterns to show the main areas that people will be traveling in your house. So that's kind of the plan for right now, and that's your homework tonight. And then when you come into school tomorrow, we're going to take your bubble diagram, so something like this, and turn it into a graph paper sketch of something along these lines. So here I've gone ahead and I've taken my bubble diagram and I've laid out the dots. And now these measurements are coming from the house criteria sheet that you see here that you took notes on. So I'm using that criteria to create my floor plan, and I'm also using my bubble diagram to kind of look at my layout and my traffic patterns. So the final product will look something along these lines, which will have the layout of the house along with doors, and then we're also going to be adding in closets and windows as well. And then the last thing we'll be doing is taking that to the architecture program to actually create a realistic floor plan, which I don't have open just yet, but you can kind of get the idea. So your homework, finish the bubble diagram, come in tomorrow, take a picture with your phone of your bubble diagram, email it to yourself and put it into this page right here. Then come up and get your bubble diagram okayed by me, and then you can start on your graph paper.